Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Haul. So I just wanted to do a quick pop-in today and let you know that I've had the best month of Etsy sales that I've had so far since my start in last February, I believe that's when I started. So this month having 61 orders, 3,500 visits, and a revenue of $2,192, which brought me a profit of about $1,000. So it hasn't been very passive for me, I do have to say, this month, because I have been maximizing my upload slots. Even though there's no limitations, I do have some free listings that I've been using. So guys, if you are interested in signing up for an Etsy account, make sure to use my link below. You will get 40 free listings and I get 40 free listings, and the alternative is that no one gets 40 free listings. So definitely, if you're thinking about signing up to do print on demand or just opening up an Etsy shop period, click that link below. And if you are interested in doing the print on demand space on Etsy, make sure to click the Printful link as well as the Etsy link, but definitely prioritize the Etsy link. 40 free listings. It goes by really quickly. Each listing is 20 cents. So you're saving yourself about $8, which doesn't sound that much, but you'll still be happy to have that saved $8 because you're not guaranteed sales with it. So definitely click that link. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Keep up to date with my progress as I am preparing to open up a second Etsy shop, but it is drop shipping. So this Etsy shop is print on demand, and my other Etsy shop will be more focused around my dog business. So it will have my made products that I manufacture myself, with my manufacturer, of course. It will have drop ship goods as well as a couple other things and one of my FBA products that I'm also selling. So definitely keep up. So far, I am loving working with Etsy. I've loved all the integrative stuff about it, and I have to say, I like it more than Amazon merch. And we will dive into that in a totally separate video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by at my channel. Make sure to click that like I said, and use my links below. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.